In Taiwan, our precision in manufacturing places various industries at the forefront. Just like a chef's mastery, every detail in cooking affects the final result. Every process, every machine is like a dish carefully crafted by a chef, requiring precision and perfect collaboration. Food and pharmaceutical machinery industry is a perfect blend of art and science.
Always try to help our customer, to help them to do the automation and save the labors, and try to help them to provide the high quality machine and the best service in the world.
We fuse creativity and precision into our designs, turning each machine into a masterpiece. It's not just about technology, it's a fusion with innovation. Every breakthrough is a new challenge for quality and efficiency. With our vertically integrated one-stop service, we offer tailored solutions, just like a private chef catering to your taste. Our creativity and technology open up endless possibilities in food and pharmaceutical processing.
We are not the supplier to the customer, we're more than a partner with the customer.
Turning manufacturing process into art. Taiwan's food and pharmaceutical machinery.